Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is a tips video on a Chromebook keyboard shortcuts. You can use the keyboard shortcuts to accomplish tasks more quickly. First, I'm going to show you on how to rotate the Chromebook screen to a different angle using the shortcuts on the keyboard. Since the Chromebook can be switched into a laptop, display, stand and pad, so you should know on how to rotate the Chromebook screen. Well, it is really easy. You just need to hold down Shift, Ctrl and press on the rotate key button from your keyboard. And then, you can see that your screen is rotated 90-degree angle intervals. You need to press all those keys again to rotate back to the normal screen. And the best part is, you can rotate your Chromebook screen 360 degrees in a time. You just need to hold down Shift, Ctrl, Alt and press on the rotate key from your keyboard. Then you can see that the screen is rotating 360 degrees. So that are two things about screen rotation. Now, the second tip is about to change your screen resolution. You need to hold down Shift, Ctrl and press on plus button from your keyboard, and that's increase the resolution by 1 increment. If you press again, then increase again. You press and again increase. Now the notification shows the internal display resolution was changed to 683 x 384. And to make the screen resolution decrease, hold down Shift, Ctrl and press the minus key from your keyboard. And then, well, to reset the screen resolution to default, from your keyboard, hold down Shift, Ctrl and press the number 0, and then the screen resolution will back to normal as it reset to default.
Thank you for watching the video. So for further information, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So good luck and bye!